Hello Chad, let's take a quick look at Bitcoin and Ethereum and see what's waiting for us in the near future. As you can see, the time pivots that we pointed in our Telegram channel on the August 5 and August 19 worked perfectly as expected, but we're still stuck under the trend. So the main support would be 60,000 roughly. To be exact, it's around 6160. So and it's critically important for us to hold the support. The next major weekly pivot is on September 9, and then we have one on 23rd of September. So let's get to a daily time frame. So unless we get back above the trend, it's the situation doesn't look very good, but we're still above the key support level. So the good conclusion would be to consolidate here, and then we can start going up. But again, as I pointed to, we have some sort of bull flag here, and it might take time to consolidate in this bull flag. Given that weekly pivots we have two weekly pivots in August. So if we lose the 60k, we can expect a correction back to 50k area, maybe 48,000, 47. So just to conclude, for us it's critically important now to hold the 60k on Bitcoin and to start forming some kind of this pattern so we can start our move up, because for now it's not very clear. Right here in Telegram channel I told you that don't get very excited about the current chart, because as you can see we're still below the trend line, and everything depends on how we're gonna close this month, because it's closing in a few days, and how are we going to hold the 60k level. So for now just stay away of any positions. If we break the 60k, then here we can try to short on this retest of 60k, so we can try to short. But if we manage to get back above the trend line on the weekly pivot, we can expect to start looking for some longs. Now let's on Ethereum, the situation is pretty much the same, but Ethereum looks weaker as Bitcoin, and as you can see on BTC Ethereum chart, it looks pretty weak. Like Ethereum looks weak, and ETF doesn't help, obviously. So for Ethereum, the critical support would be $2,400. So if we break the support, the things are not gonna look very good, to be honest. So we can expect to see lower prices, but we're still above the major trend line. So as you can see, if we look at this major trend line, so we're still above it, and that's kind of a good sign, but Ethereum looks weaker than Bitcoin. So we'll see how it goes. Just I wouldn't take any position on Ethereum here, neither long nor short. Just better see the weekly pivot on Bitcoin. So if we look at the global chart on Bitcoin, we can definitely see that the global picture is still good. Okay, so the global picture is still good. We're still doing this kind of wave 3, but everything is gonna depend on this weekly pivot, which is on 9th of September. And as I said, the 60k is a crucial support now. So if we hold the 60k, we can definitely expect some higher prices in the near future. The global picture looks okay, right? On Bitcoin, the global chart looks still strong. Of course, we're still in a bull trend, but the micro picture is not so strong. So we need to see how the situation unfolds. So just stay away from any positions, especially emotional positions, because until we see how we hold the 60k, and until we see this weekly pivots in September. Actually, there is one more here. So in September 9 and September 23. So it's better just watch the market, just stay in cash, and everything should be fine. We'll see how the situation unfolds. So have profits, wish you good profits, and subscribe to Sigma Crypto Chat channel on our Telegram.